Welcome! In this lesson, we will build an intuitive understanding of the critical path method, also called CPM. We will learn the key ideas, draw a small project network, compute earliest and latest times, find slack, and highlight the critical path. Step 1. List all the activities, their durations, and their dependencies. Imagine a snack assembly line. Task A, get bread. 1 minute. Task B, toast bread. 2 minutes. Depends on Task C, spread peanut butter. 1 minute. Depends on B. Only after B is finished can C start. That forms a simple sequence, A to B to C. Now we will draw a real project network and compute the times. Here is our small project with 6 activities. A, duration 2 days, no predecessors. B, duration 4 days, depends on A. C, duration 3 days, depends on A. D, duration 2 days, depends on B. E, duration 5 days, depends on C. F, duration 1 day, depends on D and E. We will place each activity inside a node that has 4 numbers. Earliest start, earliest finish, latest start, and latest finish. First, the forward pass computes the earliest times. The earliest start of any activity is the maximum of the earliest finishes of its predecessors. The earliest finish equals earliest start plus duration. Let us fill these in from left to right. Next, the backward pass computes the latest times without delaying the finish. The latest finish of the final activity equals its earliest finish. Then we move backward. The latest start equals latest finish minus duration. And the latest finish of an activity equals the minimum of the latest starts of its successors. Now we compute slack, also called float. Slack equals latest start minus earliest start. It also equals latest finish minus earliest finish. Activities with 0 slack form at least one continuous path from the start to the finish. That path is the critical path. If any activity on the critical path is delayed, the entire project finish is delayed. Let us highlight the 0 slack activities and the connecting arrows. Here is the intuition in one glance. If 3 paths take 10 days, 15 days, and 12 days, the project needs at least 15 days. Even if the 10-day path slips to 11, it is still waiting on the 15-day path. The longest path is the critical path. Let us summarize the key terms you should remember. Activity is a specific job to do. Duration is how long the job takes. Dependency is something that must finish before another task starts. The critical path is the longest sequence of tasks from start to finish. Slack, or float, is the extra time a task can slip without delaying the project finish. Great work! You saw how to draw a network, compute earliest and latest times, calculate slack, and find the critical path. Use CPM whenever you want a clear picture of what truly drives your project finish date.